Today we're going to be comparing Seedance 2.0 and KLING 3.0 inside LitMedia AI application. Let's see which is the best video model for absolute beginners. Let's get started right now because we are going to be creating videos like the one you are going to see on screen. Pretty amazing, right? Let me know in the comment which model you believe this is, and let's get started. I will give you the link for LitMedia down below in the description if you want to get a subscription and run these kind of models. They offer Seedance 2.0, KLING 3.0, along with a lot of other models. And right now they have added native API, which means that your generations have no queue for generation of Seedance 2.0 videos. Human faces are allowed, and you can do multiple tasks at the same time. So let's begin right now. The first step for every successful video generation is a high quality AI. So I'm going to be using Nano Banana Pro to create the images I need for today's video. And of course, LitMedia offers that as well with a dedicated AI image tab. So I'm going to upload my extraordinarily ugly face and I'm going to say two things. So for the first video, we are going to turn me into a mage. And then I'm going to do exactly the same but turn me into a bad guy. And guys, always on LitMedia and other AI image generators use enhanced prompt, get very good. So I'm going first to turn myself into a mage and then also turn myself into a very bad scary mage. While we wait for the generations to happen, I want to let you know that LitMedia offers amazing plans, including lifetime and yearly plans that are super cheap. Their lifetime plan is less than a cent per day, while their annual plan is like 25 cents per day. This is pretty amazing because you can get access and use your credits on any kind of generation you want, any kind of model you want. They even got applications for extending videos, creating music videos, AI avatars, music creation. They've got literally everything. They're pretty insane. So if you want to support the channel but also get a very nice subscription that will allow you to create anything you need, I will give you the link for LitMedia on the first link down below in the description. So the images are generated and the results are very interesting. Like this image is pretty amazing. I didn't expect to be as nice as it is. And then we have this image where, you know, the robe is a lot better and the wand is a lot better and my face is also quite realistic, but the background is a little bit like a game. And then we got this thing. Okay, so I'm going to use this image and I'm going to also use this noodle hair image of mine, and we're going to go into the video generation now. Stay tuned because this is where the fun part begins. So I've got this super amazing prompt that we're going to use to generate a high quality video generation prompt for Seedance 2.0 and KLING 3.0. So this is going to be a multi-shot prompt. We describe the idea and then it uses this prompt to optimize. This is very powerful. So you need to get this from the description of the video. I'm going to put it here for you so you can use it, or you can screenshot it and give it to Gemini. So I'm going to go into Gemini. I'm going to put the prompt, upload the two images that we just generated. So I wrote my actual thesis and I'm giving the prompt to Gemini to generate a high quality prompt for the video generate. So we got the prompt. Let's see if it actually works, because you can never be sure with these kind of generators if they're going to do it correctly. So we got AI video, put it into image to AI video, and then we have KLING 3.0. We can add reference images, just load the two images, and then we can go ahead and tag each of the images. So I'm going to go ahead and tag image 1 where it's appropriate. It needs a little bit more manual work because you use image prompts, but that's fine. You can do it on your own as well. It's not complicated at all. So in order to do the tag, just delete the image.pngs from Gemini, put this @ sign and select the appropriate image to replace. And that's how you can link the prompt with the images you attach, which is super powerful. This prompt is optimized for 15-second video. So you want to make sure that you select the aspect ratio, generate great sound and select 15-second video. Pro quality and let's click create. You need to do exactly the same thing but now using Seedance 2.0. The prompt and the images are already attached. You don't have to change anything, which is pretty great. Lovely work from the team of LitMedia. A lot of other video generators just forget the prompt and you need to attach everything again, which is super time consuming. So we're creating both of the videos and let's see what happens. Alright, so we got the first result. Before I tell you which video generator is which, I want to see your comments. So type 1 if you think this is KLING or type 2 if you think this is Seedance. I will also show you the second clip and you can choose.
Ba't nag-Southeast Pita, sir?
So make a guess, and this is the second video. Now the difference is huge, and the answer is that this video with amazing phases and insane quality is actually Seedance 2.0. It's absolutely amazing. Look at that. But I don't want to stop here. I want to do another example. But in this case, we're going to do it a lot more simple. We're going to go from text to video. The prompt will show a dragon flying over the water in the day with a time lapse showing him moving over a mountain that is near a village at night. And then an attack on the village happens with golden flames burning the village down. We are going to use this to see how these two models can go from text to video without any single image attached to them. So you go to text to video inside LitMedia, select Seedance 2.0, paste the prompt that you created using the prompt in the description and Gemini or whatever text generator you want, select 15 seconds aspect ratio and click create. Of course, we are going to do exactly the same with KLING 3.0 and I'm waiting for you to review the videos and tell me which one was created from which model. In this case, I'm going to show you the two clips and you are going to write 11 if you think the first clip is from Seedance 2.0 or 22 down below in the comments if you think it's from KLING. Alright, so just to let you know, let's go ahead and see the clip. So this is the first video. And now let's see the second video. Tell me down below in the comments which one you believe is from which engine. But time for spoiler alert. Seedance 2.0 was miles better. Like this clip is literally perfect and everything is realistic, even the flames are amazing, like you see an actual Hollywood film. While KLING 3.0 had a very strange change to the night, very strange flames over the village. It wasn't bad and of course it was quite realistic at a lot of things, but in many cases it failed. So it's 2-0 for Seedance 2.0, even going from images or going from text. Let me know which one did you prefer down below in the comments and check out LitMedia on the link in the description.